Well, I'm walking now to my church. It's like a mile away from my house. I'm all ready. It's a long walk. A really, really long walk. And there's houses. And cars. But these are my church classmates. Nerly, say hi.
Hi.
Suhei, say hi.
Hi.
Natasha, say hi.
Hello.
And it's me, hi. Well, this is the church. This is my other buddy, Anthony. Hi, Anthony.
Say Anthony. Say hi, Anthony. I was going to say Anthony.
Nerly's again. Suhei and Natasha.
Again?
And me. Now we're just waiting for the bus. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but oh well, let's see traffic. We're on the boulevard. Those are people who's coming with us. I don't know none of them, but oh well. This is what I'm gonna do while I'm waiting to leave. People come pick me up. I'm gonna go on the internet, check my Facebook, and just use the computer to just use it. I'm all ready and I have to wait. Right now it's 8:22, so I'm waiting for my computer to load up. I'm gonna take a tour around my house. It's the dining room, all these toys, baby brother, kitchen, the living room. I'm going outside. That's my cat. Jinx. Jinx, boy. Jinx. Come here, Jinx. Look at me. Well, my cat and my new dog is looking at each other. It's the porch. Take it outside. I'm taking it outside. And this is my house. It's like a little grass place. Now, let me go back inside. There's nothing to do outside. I'm gonna go eat breakfast. And when I'm ready to leave, I'll leave. I'm in the car now, and I'm with Miss Kelly and Juan. And we're on our way to a pool. But first we gotta stop and do little errands to get food. Cause you can't have a barbecue without food.
It's not a barbecue.
So we're on our way.
This is a barbecue?
Right now I'm in the pool. That's the big pool. What? And a whole bunch of kids in here. And I'm eating right now. I had some chicken dip and hot dogs and my Sprite. And I'm about to get back in the pool. Y'all wanna see me? Follow me.
What you mean follow you?
And Natalia's gonna save me from drowning.
Okay. Baby, I'm coming in.
Why?
Wait, look at Kelly.
Say hi, Kelly.
No. What you getting?
Well, we're done with the pool now, and I got changed, and we're gonna get ready to leave. So pretty much, it's a typical summer day. Pool, barbecue, and
Hang out.
that's it.